Dr. Manwar sir, my guide, and respected Aithal sir.
Keep in mind that within 15 to 20 minutes you are supposed to summarize the things.
Yes sir. Yes.
Sir, 10 minutes. 10 minutes are enough, sir. 10 minutes for presentation and few minutes for discussion and question answer.
Okay sir.
Share your screen.
Yes, yes sir. There are some problem. Please.
Don't share windows. Share your screen. Whole screen.
Yes.
Why you are going in view? Just share the things.
Sir, there are, I think, some problem in my laptop.
प्रकाश सर, शेअर स्क्रीन करा.
Yes, 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 sir.
हा, त्यानंतर स्क्रीन
Yes, yes, yes.
त्याच्यावरती
Okay,
क्लिक
okay.
करा.
Yes,
Select
yes.
होईल आणि नंतर स्क्रीन.
Yes, yes. Hello.
हाँ चला.
आता दिसते sir?
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Good afternoon to all of you. My research topic is the studies of free living nitrogen fixing bacterial consortia for value added vermicompost production, and there are some objective. So different literature shows that nitrogen fixing bacteria increase the possibility or increase the nutrient concentration of soil. Going forward in the light of literature, we set the different types of objective. So there are some objective. First objective is that to study the free living nitrogen fixing bacteria in a normal soil के अंदर. Second objective is that to study the nutrient content, especially NPK in soil and organic manure. Third objective is that to study the free living nitrogen fixing bacteria in vermicompost, which is prepared by one red worm species called as Escherichia fetida. And the fourth objective is that to study the nutrient content in vermicompost prepared by same species of vermicompost. And fifth objective is that to study the effect of nutrient content NPK after pre-treatment of consortia, that is cocktail, yeah, different types of microorganism which is isolated from the soil, and organic manure. So that is a fortification. So in the present work, yeah, there are different, but second, fourth, and fifth objective is going to discuss in this presentation. So first is that the soil collection. In the soil collection of soil sample, so we isolate the different soil, that is a red, black, and loamy soil. Hello.
Yes, continue.
Yes, yes. Okay, sir. In the study of collection of soil sample, so three different soil sample selected, that is a red, black, and loamy soil from the different region of Maharashtra. All soil sample brought to the laboratory and tested for further. First, that is the isolation of a rhizobacteria. ये जो respected soil sample used for the isolation of a rhizobacteria, that is a nitrogen fixing bacteria from the soil. The collected red, black, and loamy soil were used for the isolation of a Rhizobacterium and Azotobacter species. The nutrient media specific as a Rhizobium agar and Azotobacter agar, that is a high media used to grow, and then it is used for the specific growth of microorganism. The soil as red, black, and loamy soil serially first of all diluted, so serial dilution takes place, and inoculated as 100 microliter to the plates. Plates are then incubated at 28 degrees centigrade for 5 days to record the typical growth of isolate. Now after the isolation, these isolate then subculture on the nutrient agar identified. These. Hello, sir, आवाज येतोय clear?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, thank you, sir. After the isolation of these bacteria, now subculture on the nutrient agar and identified by 16S sequencing, gene sequencing. So isolated bacteria को हमने sequencing के लिए utilize किया था sir. 16S sequencing, RNA gene sequencing. The bacterial species preliminarily isolated as the Rhizobium species and Azotobacter species were processed for genomic DNA and targeted by 16S ribosomal RNA universal primer in PCR set as per the protocol suggested by respected Reitel. then amplicon successfully sequenced via Blaston analysis, and phylogenetic analysis, the genus and species level identification is confirmed. The detail of bacterial species submitted to the NCBI via Sequin program to obtain the accession number. Preparation of soil. So different bacterial species I have isolated and got the accession number. There are 4 bacterial species. First is the Rhizobacteria, that is the Bacillus subtilis. Another is the Bacillus cereus. Third is the Acinetobacter radio resistance and Pseudomonas putida. So after I got the accession number, now preparation of a soil mixture with a vermicompost, organic manure and bacterial consortium. In the study, real study of vermicompost, organic manure and bacterial consortium on the nutrient level of soil assessed at variable individual concentration. The sets are prepared as, so different type के जो soil sample है इसे properly code किया है. R, that is a red soil, B, that is a black soil, and L is the loamy soil. And again red soil again divided into different types, that is R1A, R1B, and इसके अंदर different concentration of मतलब soil का concentration mix किया है along with the vermicompost. तो ये code है for the soil sample, that is the red soil, black soil as well as the loamy soil. Soil testing. Once all the soil set were prepared and dried for 10 days, all soil sample were tested by standard kit of high media K0454 for the parameters such as physical parameter pH and the chemical parameter, that is the organic carbon, that is oxidizable organic carbon, phosphate per kg hectare, for potassium kg per hectare, and ammonical nitrogen kilogram per hectare, as well as the nitrate and nitrogen per kilogram per hectare. Collection of soil, the soil collected successfully from the said region of Maharashtra. इस डायग्राम के अंदर या इस फिगर के अंदर हम ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं collected soil, that is a red, black and loamy soil for from the left to right side. Result is that the identification of Rhizobacteria and Azotobacteria. The present study, 2 bacterial species each from the red and black soil identified as a plant growth promoting Rhizobacteria. First isolate, that is isolate AB sample from the black soil, and it is identified as a Bacillus subtilis. Sequence for 13-17 nucleotide sequence successfully aligned with a database accession number MN559293 shown in the phylogram. So this is the shown in the phylogram. आगे phylogram है. So this is the isolate AB identified as a Bacillus subtilis. Second, isolate AR identified as a Bacillus cereus.
I think he might have technical problem. Surely there might be the loss of network.
Yes, just a while, 8 minutes we will, just within a minute we will.
Initially he lost his voice and then later on he got left.
Yes.
So shall we move for the next candidate, please?
Yes, I think we should go for that.